people use Python's turtle to make drawings, but I made a game with it. And today I'm going to show you how I made a turtle racer game in Python with turtle, where a turtle can freely race on a track, no obstacles, nothing. And let's go see how I made it. Okay, so let me quickly explain the code. So first, I import all the modules I need. Turtle for the game, OS for clearing the screen, which is optional, and Pygame for the music. So first we clear the screen, then we initialize the screen object and we configure it, the background color, the window title, the window icon, and opening it in maximized mode. Then we initialize the mixer and load the background music we need, and then we play the music infinitely, and then we make the menu turtle object for the menu text, and this keeps the text color white, and this is all the text, if I can say, we need for the start screen. And this thing right here writes the lines to game screen, and then this is the start game function which controls the game, and you can leave all these things behind, and we can make the background picture track.png, which is okay here, okay, this one. And then we initialize the turtle object for the player. We initialize the variables for the speed and rotation in degrees, and then we hide the turtle until we set up position and all these fill color, pen color, and the shape, and then we resize it 2 times larger, and then we apply the pen up function so that it doesn't draw while moving, and then we show the turtle. Now these are all the movement functions which you can take a quick glance at. And this is the close function right here, which closes the window once we want to stop playing. And then this is the game loop. This moves the turtle forward, this moves it backward, and this rotates it left, and this rotates it right. And this line over here updates the game loop every 16 milliseconds. And then we initialize or configure the controls. We move forward when the up arrow key is pressed, backward when down arrow is pressed, and rotate left when left arrow key is pressed, and right when right arrow key is pressed. And then we close the window, the game window, when we press Q on the keyboard, and reset the turtle to its start position when we press R. So the reset function is right here, okay, this one. And we listen for the keyboard events. We update the game every 16 milliseconds as I showed you earlier, and this is optional, which indicates in the terminal that the game has started. And then this is the menu control, and this listens to the keyboard events for the menu, and this is the line which starts the game when the space key is pressed. Finally, screen.main loop keeps the program running so that the game doesn't close instantly. Now let's see it in action. So I click the run button and it's running. My laptop's kind of slow. Okay, so whatever you're listening, the music you're listening to is the background music. So it says press space to start. I press space. Okay, so we get this track here and there are no obstacles. This is just a basic game. And okay, I move forward and I'm steering with my arrow keys. Okay, sorry if I go out of track. Okay, just for fun. Let's steer there. Okay, having fun. And so on and so on and so on. I feel kind of lazy. Okay, I'm going out of track again. Steer it there. And that's it. I don't know. And if I press R, resets no matter wherever I go. Okay, let me just go there. And if I press R, come back, and I press Q, and boom, we're just out of the game. Okay, so that was Turtle Track Racer in Python's Turtle, and I hope you liked it. And if you want more projects like these, then subscribe to the channel down below. Until then, keep coding, keep enjoying, and see you in the next video.